Keeping your yard tidy and watering hassle-free starts with the right tools. The best retractable garden hose reel makes organizing and storing your hose simple, preventing messy tangles while saving time. Let's take a closer look at top options. Number 1. Giraffe Garden Hose Reel. If you're looking for a dependable, hassle-free way to manage your garden hose, the Giraffe Garden Hose Reel is an excellent choice. This retractable garden hose reel comes pre-installed with a generous 130-foot hybrid hose that locks securely at any length, ensuring complete coverage of your entire yard without constant tugging or adjusting. The standout feature is its auto rewind system, which allows the hose to retract smoothly with a gentle pull. Thanks to its retractable design and guide mechanism, the hose winds up neatly without tangling or kinking. Constructed from a high-grade, all-weather flexible hybrid material, this hose is both abrasion-resistant and leak-proof, having passed rigorous 200 psi pressure and 600 psi burst tests. This reassures you of its durability and reliability under demanding garden conditions. Assembly is refreshingly simple, requiring only a 180-degree rotating wall bracket and a few screws, while the quick-release system lets you detach the reel easily for storage when not in use. One suggestion is to mount it on a post larger than 4x4 for added stability. The included nozzle offers 9 adjustable spray patterns, making it a versatile tool for everything from watering delicate flower beds to washing your car or cleaning patios. Whether you're a weekend gardener or a daily yard enthusiast, this hose reel enhances convenience and organization. Its heavy-duty build and user-friendly features make it a smart investment for any home gardener seeking to keep their outdoor space neat and efficient. Number 2. Entgard Garden Hose Reel. The Entgard Garden Hose Reel is a solid, dependable option for anyone who values both functionality and durability in their outdoor equipment. This retractable garden hose reel comes with a 100-foot, 1/2-inch water hose that locks securely at any length, making it simple to water every corner of your garden without any frustrating limitations. Its automatic retract system rewinds the hose smoothly and safely with just a gentle tug, preventing messy coils and reducing the strain of manual rolling. Assembly is straightforward, requiring only a few screws and a 180-degree rotating bracket to mount on a wall, fence, or post. The hose is crafted from high quality, tested at 145 psi working pressure and 435 psi burst pressure, and features solid brass connectors and a tough waterproof seal to fend off rust and corrosion. Designed to thrive outdoors, it has a UV-resistant and cold-resistant coating tested between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 122 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively doubling its lifespan by resisting cracking, fading, and weather wear. The ergonomic anti-slip grip on the nozzle enhances control, especially during extended watering sessions. And with 10 adjustable spray patterns, it's a versatile tool for various chores like watering plants, washing vehicles, cleaning outdoor areas, and pet bathing. The combination of quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design makes the Entgard Garden Hose Reel an excellent addition to any home garden setup, offering reliable performance and long-term durability without sacrificing convenience. Number 3. Hozereel Garden Hose Reel. The Hozereel Garden Hose Reel is an excellent choice for those tired of dealing with tangled, heavy hoses and constant bending. This retractable garden hose reel is a fantastic space and time saver, making garden watering and cleanup effortless. With a simple tug, the self-rewind system neatly retracts the hose, eliminating the hassle of manually winding it up. The guide mechanism moves from side to side to distribute the hose evenly, keeping your yard tidy and organized. The included hose boasts a smooth, glossy finish that's easy to clean after dragging through dirt and mud, making maintenance as simple as the operation itself. The automatic rewind function, combined with a 180-degree pivot bracket, allows for full coverage of large garden areas without repositioning the reel. This makes it incredibly convenient to water plants or clean surfaces in wide spaces without switching spigots or dragging heavy hoses. The Hozereel unit is solidly built for long-term use, with durable brass connectors and a strengthened hybrid hose that resists wear and tear. Even in daily use, it shows no signs of leaking or kinking. Ideal for both light tasks and more demanding chores, this hose reel transforms a once tedious job into a quick and efficient process. Its heavy-duty construction, practical features, and ease of use make it a reliable and worthwhile investment for anyone who wants to maintain a neat, attractive yard without extra hassle. Number 4. Glahoden Garden Hozereel. For those managing large garden spaces or multi-use outdoor areas, the Glahoden Garden Hozereel stands out with its well-engineered, user-friendly design. This retractable garden hose reel features a 130-foot half-inch hose that covers a wide area effortlessly. It reduces stretching resistance by 50%, making it easy to maneuver with just one hand. The patented dual ratchet locking mechanism offers precise locking with plus 0.65 feet accuracy, eliminating slack and securing the hose at exact lengths, a huge advantage for precise watering in tight spaces like balcony corners or around garden beds. The industrial-grade alloy spring ensures consistent retraction, tested to 20,000 cycles, and retracts at a safe, controlled pace to avoid dangerous snapbacks. The UV and freeze-proof casing withstands temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, doubling its lifespan by resisting cracking, fading, and weather damage. Safety and durability are priorities here, with a 3-layer PVC hose reinforced by fiber braid, tested to a burst pressure of 348 psi and a working pressure of 120 psi. This provides peace of mind, knowing the hose won't rupture under standard home use conditions. The self-aligning zero friction guide ensures the hose retracts smoothly and evenly without jamming. Number 5. Hainan Garden Hose Reel. The Hainan Garden Hose Reel offers a combination of high performance, durability, and convenience, making it an excellent pick for any garden enthusiast. This retractable garden hose reel comes equipped with a smooth automatic rewind system that safely retracts the hose with a gentle pull, eliminating the hassle of manually rolling it back. The reinforced steel coil spring has been tested for over 20,000 uses, guaranteeing reliable, long-lasting performance. Its free locking system allows you to secure the hose at any desired length, perfect for large-scale watering tasks without repositioning. The included 100-foot 5/8-inch diameter hose reduces water pressure loss by up to 35% and can save significant time when watering extensive areas. Constructed with a durable 3-layer PVC hose, aluminum shaft, and brass fittings, it handles high pressure with ease, passing 200 psi working and 600 psi burst strength tests, ensuring no leaks and no waste. The 180-degree swivel bracket provides excellent maneuverability, allowing for multi-directional watering with smooth rotation. Installation is quick and simple on brick, fences, or stone walls, and the quick release system makes storage easy. The nozzle offers 10 versatile spray patterns suitable for everything from delicate garden beds to heavy-duty cleaning. Designed with a rust-proof metal nozzle and an ergonomic non-slip handle, it performs reliably in tough outdoor conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.